What is going on, everyone? Chuck here with VMP Performance, and today I am joined by Mr. Alex and his beautiful 2016 Mustang GT. This car has an Odin Supercharger on it. It's got 93 octane in the tank, and as you can tell from just looking at the car, it's anything but stock. So you want to tell us a little bit about the car, how it ended up to this? Because obviously it did not roll off the plant line like this. So how did we get to this point?
So we got to this point, purchased a car from a buddy of mine. He had a D1 SE Procharger kit on it. Started going from there and doing little minor adjustments. Ended up going with a D1 SE, D1X Procharger, stage 2 kit. Then I just wanted to do something a little bit more. So it's kind of one of those things. Once you start, where do you stop, right? So it's kind of, you know, we swapped out the front fascia, went with Roush. We did GT350 fenders, and I thought I was happy there, but I wasn't. So we continued to push the car, went with the air ride suspension, and then here we are today with a wide body, custom molded with a stage 3 performance kit on it. A huge props to Dynamic Design Automotive. They did all the body work and the paint. Hard Part Performance, Nelson helped me out with the VMP blower, and I couldn't be happier, man. Today was a great day, and it's definitely everything that I expected it to be. It was great.
We see a lot of Mustangs roll through here, like 500 a year plus. And I can honestly say, like when I pulled in this morning and I saw the car sitting out in front of the sign, I was like, that's freaking gorgeous. It is a very well done car. It's very tastefully done. The wheels, it's very well done. Like there's no runs in the paint, there's no lines in the wide body. So killer job on the build. We're gonna throw it up on the dyno. We're gonna see what kind of power this thing makes. And yeah, let's see where we end up. So now it's all show. Let's see how much go it's got.
That's right.
All right, so I know your goal in here was to make around 700 wheel.
Yep.
And I'm happy to say we accomplished that goal on just 93 octane with just the Odin Supercharger, nothing special, 727 wheel horsepower. Wow. And that's on a safe, reliable tune-up. We're not shooting to the moon with the timing, anything crazy like that. We've already told you, put some boost in the tank if you want a little bit extra. I need to show those Hellcats who's boss. So we're excited that you brought the car to us. We're excited you chose VMP for the product. Couldn't thank you enough for bringing the car by and letting us tune this thing.
VMP is where it's at. Couldn't be happier. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you.
Awesome, guys. If you want parts like this for your car, you want to stop by the VMP Ranch, give us a shout. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.